Hi children, how are you? Children, today we are going to start our second chapter. Okay? Before that, can you see these pictures? Can you identify these pictures or their names? Okay, tell me, which animal is this? Yes, monkey. Then, is it animal or bird? Bird. Which bird is this? Yes, parrot. What is its color? Yes, green. What is its beak color? Beak's color what? Yes, red. Then, which animal is this? Yes, donkey. Then, next, which bird? Yes, our hen. Do you like hen? Okay. Then, which animal? Yes, goat. Then, this one. Yes, cow. These two gives us what? Milk. Do you like milk? Okay. Then, which animal is this? Bear. Yes, is it wild or domestic animal? Yes, it is a wild animal. കാട്ടിലല്ലേ കാണാ കരടിയെ? Then, which bird is this? Yes, duck. Then, which one is this? This small tortoise. What is its name? Tortoise. Then, which animal is this? What is its name? Who is known as what? King of the forest. Who is this? Yes, our big lion. Lion. Then, which animal is this? Yes, pig. Okay. Then, which one is this? This cute one. What is its name? Squirrel. Annan. What is its English name? Squirrel. Okay. Then, which bird is this? Always we can see around our house. Yes, crow. Okay. Then, which bird is this? Yeah, vulture. What is its name? Vulture. എന്താണെന്നറിയോ? കഴുകൻ. കഴുകനെ കണ്ടിട്ടുണ്ടോ നിങ്ങൾ? നേരിട്ട് കണ്ടിട്ടുണ്ടോ? യെസ്, സൂലൊക്കെ പോയാൽ നമുക്ക് കാണാൻ കഴിയും അല്ലേ? ഓക്കെ. ഫ്രം ദീസ് പിക്ചേഴ്സ് വിച്ച് വൺ ഡു യു ലൈക്ക് മോർ? നിങ്ങൾക്ക് ഏറ്റവും കൂടുതൽ ഇഷ്ടമുള്ളത് ഏതാണ് ഈ ചിത്രത്തിൽ നിന്നും? പറഞ്ഞേ. I like parrot. What is your opinion? What's your likes? Tell me. Okay, children. Children, can you divide these pictures into two groups? Two categories? Which are the two groups? How can you divide these pictures into two groups? എങ്ങനെ നമ്മൾ വേർതിരിക്കും ഈ ചിത്രങ്ങളെ രണ്ട് ഗ്രൂപ്പായിട്ട് നമുക്ക് വേർതിരിക്കാം. എങ്ങനെ? How can we divide? Yes, birds, animals. Yes, it is shuffled here. Pictures. We can divide into two. Birds and animals. Okay. All of you do that. First one, animals. Second, birds. All of you divide. Which animals comes down the animals group. Then which birds will be in the birds group. Okay? All of you divide. ഏതൊക്കെ മൃഗങ്ങള് ഇതിൽ നിന്നും ആനിമലിന്റെ ഗ്രൂപ്പിൽ വരും? ബേർഡ്സിന്റെ ഗ്രൂപ്പിൽ ആരൊക്കെ ഉണ്ടാവും? Okay, all of you do fast. Just pause our video and do it fast. We can divide like this. Animals, birds. Which are the animals? Monkey, bear, donkey, squirrel, cow, lion, goat, pig, tortoise. Birds, duck, hen, vulture, crow, and parrot. Okay. Children, can you find some farm animals and birds from this picture? Farm animals. നമ്മൾ വളർത്തുന്നില്ലേ ഫാമിൽ നമ്മുടെ ആവശ്യത്തിനായിട്ട് വളർത്തുന്ന കുറച്ച് മൃഗങ്ങളുണ്ട്, പക്ഷികളും ഉണ്ട് അല്ലേ? Can you find which are they? Okay, I hope all of you find. I will give you some only for you. Other animals and birds names you have to find and add. Okay? Yes, farm animals and birds. Here I will show you cow, goat, farm animals, birds, hens, duck. Some other animals and birds also in this group. You have to find and add. Okay? നിങ്ങൾ തിരഞ്ഞ് കണ്ടുപിടിക്കണം ബാക്കി ഏതൊക്കെ ഫാം ആനിമൽസ് ഉണ്ട്, ബേർഡ്സ് ഉണ്ട്. നിങ്ങൾ ചെയ്യുമല്ലോ. Children, what we call this bird? Duck. You know what is the name or what we call the baby of duck? ഡക്കിന്റെ കുഞ്ഞിനെ നമ്മൾ എന്താ വിളിക്കുക? എന്താണ് അറിയോ? Duckling. What? Duckling. Then who is this? Hen. You know the baby of hen? Yes, you know that. What we call? Chick. Right? Chick. Duckling, chick. Baby of duck, duckling. Baby of hen, chick. Right? Today we are going to start our second chapter. You know what's its name? Me Too. So from this chapter, who are the characters you know? Yeah, the two characters we can see. Yes, duckling and chick. All of you clear? Me Too എന്ന പാഠത്തിലെ പാഠത്തിലെ ക്യാരക്ടേഴ്സ് അല്ലെങ്കിൽ പാഠത്തിൽ നമുക്ക് ആരൊക്കെ കാണാം? Duckling and chick. Okay, kids, if you have textbook, you can take English textbook. നിങ്ങളുടെ കയ്യിൽ ടെക്സ്റ്റ് ബുക്ക് ഉണ്ടോ? ഉണ്ടെങ്കിൽ ടെക്സ്റ്റ് ബുക്ക് എടുത്തോളൂ എല്ലാവരും. Shall we start our chapter Me Too? Children, all of you take page number 28. What you can see in this picture? Our chapter Me Too. Then here what we can see? We can see one basket. Inside the basket, who is hiding? We can see some numbers here. Okay? What we have to do? We have to color these number boxes. Okay? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Okay. These number boxes only we have to color. All of you have crayon and pencil, means color pencil. Okay, all of you take and color these boxes. Number boxes only you have to color. After that we will get who is hiding. Hiding person we will get. Okay? Yes, who is hiding in this basket? We found. Which bird is this? Hen. What is it? Hen. Here also one hen we can see. You have to color this hen also. Not only hen. Yes, we can see here eggs. How many eggs? 1, 2. 2 eggs also here. Where is our hen sitting? Hen is sitting on these 2 eggs. Hen is sitting on these 2 eggs. Okay, children. All of you color this hen also. Children, How is our hen now? Yes, it is looking very nice. Our hen. And here also our eggs. Children, all of you read a hen. A hen. 2 eggs. One more time. All of you read a hen. 2 eggs. In this picture, we can see a hen and 2 eggs. Then tell me, who will come out of these eggs? Who will come? Just wait and see. Look, who is come out of the egg? Yes, duckling. Have you seen our duckling? കണ്ടിട്ടുണ്ടോ നിങ്ങൾ ഡക്ലിനെ? താറാവിന്റെ കുട്ടിയെ കണ്ടിരുന്നോ മുൻപേ? A duckling came out of the egg. ഈ എഗ്ഗിൽ നിന്ന് ഒരു മുട്ടയിൽ നിന്നും ആര് വന്നു? One duckling. A duckling. Look at his face. Is it happy? What he said? I am out. What he said? I am out. I am out. All of you read. I am out. എന്താണ് പറഞ്ഞത്? മുട്ടയ്ക്കുള്ളിൽ നിന്നും പുറത്തു വന്നു. Children, who will come out of the other egg? Can you see one more egg is here? Who will come out? Can you guess? ആരാണ് ഇനി പുറത്തു വരാൻ പോകുന്നത്? Can you guess? പറയാമോ? Yes. Who is this? One chick. One chick. From this egg, one duckling. This egg, one chick. They are very happy. Okay, what does our chick say? Chick said what? Yes, me too. ഞാനും കൂടെ പുറത്തു വന്നു. What he said? Me too. A chick, 2 came out. Can you see the word chick? Yes, this is the word chick. This chick also came out from this egg. Okay, children. Then what they are going to do? You know, where are they going? They are planning something. They have to go somewhere. Yeah, they are discussing what to do next. Okay, just wait and see. We will discuss everything in our next class. Okay, thank you.